Here is my blog. If I open similar web extension, you will see I'm getting to my websites to Educate around 116,000 views per month. If you go to my other website, supertools.com, to my web analytics, you will see that I started this service like 8 months ago, and in March I got around 44,000 views. Then the next month I got 100,000 views. Today I have around 200,000, 185,000, and so on. So how I did this? How I'm getting all this traffic into my websites in this short period? Simply the traffic bomber method. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm really so excited, so happy to publish this video that I am sure it will help a lot of you get traffic into your blogs, into your websites in a very short time. You will need to work only 10 or 15 minutes a day for only 10 days consistently, and you will see results. I know a lot of you will not even continue the video, will not even watch these couple of minutes. Some of you will not even try this. It's only 15 minutes and they will not try it. Then after 1 month, they will send me a message or start asking here and there how I get traffic to my website. Friend, I am telling you how to get traffic. Please watch these couple of minutes and apply it. Only 15 minutes a day. Instead of scrolling into Facebook and wasting your time, just apply this method, which is really super simple and free. Just try it and you will see it's working. It worked with me. It works with millions of people all over the world. What is this method? How it works? Let's see together. But please, before we start, don't forget, if you like to watch more videos like this about online business, making money online, digital marketing, and much more, please go now, smash the red button, subscribe now, and like the video, turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. So let's start. So what is the traffic bomber method? By the way, I call it like this. There is nothing called bomber method. So what is this method? What we are going to do simply is copying and pasting your content on different websites all over the internet, on websites that are getting millions of visitors every month. Super simple. Just copy and paste your own content, your own blog post on other websites. I will show you now the websites one by one, step by step, and explain how this method will really help you get a lot of traffic, thousands of new users, people into your website. So let's start with website number 1. Number 1 is LinkedIn. LinkedIn, of course, I'm not here to tell you go and paste your links inside the feed. No. In LinkedIn, if you have an account, perfect. If you don't have one, go and sign up. LinkedIn today is one of the best social media or social networks that will help you grow and get traffic. Simply inside your account, go and click on write article and not a post, and simply copy and paste the article into your LinkedIn profile. As an example, I have this article here. I will open it. Simply copy the title, Ctrl+C, go here, paste the headline, and simply go back and start copying your article and pasting in LinkedIn. It will take less than 1 minute to publish your article on LinkedIn. Maybe you tell me now what I will get from this. Please follow up. I will show exactly how this will help you. Post the same articles on LinkedIn as articles. Okay? The next website, the second website is Quora. Quora is simply a Q&A website that you can ask and answer questions on. But today, I'm not here to tell you go and answer questions and link back. No. In Quora, you will go to your profile here, click on your profile, and then you can create a space on Quora. You can see I have this space, Make Money Online here. I will open it, and I am a contributor in different spaces in Quora. Now what you are going to do is create an account on Quora, sign up, and here click on create a space, name it whatever you want, I'll write a description, and then in the space, here is my space, you can add an image, whatever you want. It's like a small website, a small group, a small space for you inside Quora. You can post your own articles. And again, simply open this and start copying and pasting your articles on Quora. Again, please, some patience. I will tell you in a little bit how this will really help you a lot. So just copy and paste. As you can see here, I pasted my articles here. And I have now 705 followers. And by the way, if you like to join us, you can go to Quora. You'll find the link in the description below to join this space. It's totally free and get all the updates and so on. So paste the same articles inside your Quora space. The third website is medium.com. Medium allows you also to post your articles. You can write articles here. And I mentioned this before in affiliate marketing. So if you don't have a website, you don't have money to start the affiliate marketing, you can use medium.com as your own website to post your articles and promote affiliate links. Now, my point here is simply to go and create an account, sign up, and then click on write a story. And again, copy your article, the title, go here, paste the title, and paste your article here again. Just copy the content and paste inside Medium. Paste the full article and publish it on Medium. So these are the first three websites: LinkedIn articles, Quora spaces, and medium.com to publish your stories or articles. Okay, now the main question you may ask, anyone can ask, okay, I published and copied and pasted my articles on this website. How I will get the traffic? What is the relation? This is really super important. Why? Simply because, an example, Medium, if you go here to SimilarWeb, it gets around 223 million monthly visits. If you go here to Quora, it gets around 500 million visits. If you go to LinkedIn, it gets around, let's see, around 1 billion visits per month. Okay, so the first benefit is if someone is searching on LinkedIn for a topic, he may find your article. If someone is searching on Quora for a topic, he may find your article. If someone is searching on Medium, he may find your article. So this is the first benefit. Number two, that those websites, Quora, LinkedIn, and Medium, has a very high rank on Google, high authority. So your article may also rank on Google through this website instead of your own website, which is still new and have no rank on Google. And this is really very important, so you can get free organic traffic from search engines into your articles. Now we still have a problem. You may tell me, okay, I got traffic into Medium, into Quora, into LinkedIn, but how I can get traffic back into my website? Simply, you have to create internal links. If you go here to my article again, as you scroll, you will see I have a link here. You will see I have links here, links to my own articles, to my own services, to my own websites. So anyone reading the article on Quora, on LinkedIn, on Medium can simply link back or can simply go back into your website. And this is how you can get free traffic from these websites. So this is the main benefit here, is to get free organic traffic into your articles and link back into your website. And simply, and this I think more important than traffic also, whenever you write on those websites and you start getting followers, people reading about your content, about your services, about your business, you are doing simply brand awareness. You are simply letting people know about you, know about your business. So they will go and visit if you like your content. And here it comes, one important point is to publish real value. Not long value, real value. It may be a small paragraph, but it will be real value for your followers. So these are the main three websites, LinkedIn, Quora, and medium.com. Go now, it will take you less than 5 minutes to publish the same articles from your blog into these websites. Now we will move on to the second three websites that are somehow easier, where we only publish the links of the articles. The first website in the second list is mix.com. You can see mix.com. Simply inside Mix, click on this plus icon and paste your article blog. As an example, this one, paste it here and click on, wait a little bit, and this is the article. You can see it will fetch everything. Click on Mix, and now you can add to collection and publish your article on mix.com. Mix also gets around 1.4 million visits per month, which is also very good. It's from the US, so it's a good traffic source. Publish also all your links, all your articles constantly on mix.com. The second website is pinterest.com. I know everyone here knows Pinterest, but Pinterest is really very powerful in terms of traffic. Why? Simply because in Pinterest, people use the search feature a lot, not like Facebook and other social platforms. Here, people use the search to find things they are interested in. So simply here, click on create after you sign up if you don't have an account, and click on create a pin, and simply enter the URL of your blog here and the title. So as an example, here is the title of my article. Paste it here. You can write a small description if you want, and you need to create an image. Now, the best way to create an image for Pinterest is to use canva.com. Canva is the best application I use to create all my designs, my ads, everything. Simply here in Canva, click create a design and select, just search for Pinterest and simply select Pinterest pin, and then it will give you the best size for the Pinterest pins, and it will give you templates, a lot of templates. You can simply create your own one if you want. And I will give you now a simple tip. As an example, here in my blog, I created this featured image. You can see it. It's here in my Canva profile. I will open it now. You can simply, if you created the design inside Canva, go here to the resize section and then select Pinterest pin and click copy and resize, and now Canva will resize this. So simply you can drag and drop this like this and whatever, add some things and simply download this. Simply download it and then publish it into your Pinterest account. So also go now and start publishing every day 1 or 2 pins into Pinterest using this strategy. It will take less than 30 seconds to do this on Pinterest. So this is the second website or the fifth website today. The last website, number 6, and I think it's one of the best. It requires somehow some more work, like 4 or 5 minutes. It is slideshare.net. It allows you to create and publish small slides or small ebooks. So what you are going to do here in this website is to upload a small version of your article. As an example, I have this article here. So I go to Canva, and if you go here to my Instagram folder, just to show you this Instagram post, as an example, this is the affiliate marketing article on my blog. I created this small version of it. You can see it is page 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Simple. You can here click on download and select PDF. You can see PDF standard. You can download this PDF. You can create a small version of the article to explain what the article is about, and simply go to SlideShare and upload it. SlideShare gets around 182 million views. So it's also one of the best websites to publish on and get traffic from. You can publish the PDFs and link back to your website. So these are my 6 websites. Please just try it. Go now to the comment section, comment below your daily visitors today. And after 10 days of applying this strategy, come back and tell people how much visitors you got from this strategy, from these websites, so we can motivate each other and help each other to improve and get more traffic. Please try it. It's super simple, totally free. It takes like 10 or 15 minutes. Just try it and you will see the results. So these are my 6 websites. Now it's time for the bonus website for you. My bonus website is iteducate.com/forums. As I told you, my websites get around 116,000 views per month. and I created this forum this month to help you post whatever you want, to give you support. So if you have any question, you can ask in the forum, and you can go here to the blog section and publish your blog post. Simply go to your account, your profile, sign up. It's free and simple. Sign up and go here to your blog and simply publish your blog post onside the forum. Totally free. Get a free backlink from my website, from the forum, and get free traffic from people visiting the forum. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, anything you want to share, comment it below. And don't forget to comment your daily visitors today to see how this will improve your daily visitors and daily online traffic. So comment them below, anything you want. And don't forget to go to my website, itqmedia.channel, and click on the giveaway section to see if you won the last giveaway, because I announced the winners. Go here and you will see the last giveaway winners. Check if your name is here, and please send me an email to hassan@itqmedia.channel. You can see all these winners here. And don't forget to join the new giveaway here on this page. Thank you for following, and see you in the upcoming videos.